Alright, so I got an older style washer here. Let me turn my flashlight on. Alright, so as you can see, there's the agitator on the bottom, and when it twists, it's got these little doggers in here that gets this to twist as it spins, just like this. And as you can see, this one's just free spinning. Let me grab a flathead screwdriver real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so all you're going to want to do is, as you can see, if you spin this thing around, let's get it. Let's see if I can focus on it. There's a small little lip right there that you can stick a screwdriver under and pop that thing off. Now the part that we're going to be replacing is this thing right here. This little piece inside, and it's got these teeth. You can see that they're trying to catch when it spins, but they just are completely wore out. And it's just plastic pieces, that's what happens. So I'm gonna show you how to switch that real quick. Alright, so I got a 11mm socket with 2 extensions. You don't necessarily need to, you can probably get it done with one. And you may have to hold the drum. This one's kind of loose, so I don't have to. You can see 2 of the teeth of this thing have fell out on the inside, so it's making it hard for me to get this bolt out. Sit and actually get the socket to fit down in there. Let me shut this lid. As you can see, right there is 2 of the teeth. So what I'm gonna do, sometimes this whole piece will come new. What I'm gonna do, what you'll do if you have just the teeth, so there's this little black plastic piece right here. Let me get my phone problem. Alright, so the easiest way is your just broken teeth. Alright, so once we've got all these I'm just going to take my new teeth, slide them in, spin this around, slide them in. And then we're going to slide this black cover back down to hold these in place. And there's a little lip that lines up in order to get it to slide perfectly down, and then we're going to snap it in place all the way around. As you can see, it's back in order. Let me get this messed up real quick. Alright, so now that I got this cleared back off, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and slide this part back down, and we're going to drop that down in place, and we'll sit our bolt down in there. Start it out real quick. Alright, so let me demonstrate. You see the difference? How this thing will not move unless the other one's moving. Once it goes out, there's plastic teeth lock in place right there, and all it is they get wore out. So we'll go ahead and tighten this up. All we're gonna do is pop this cap back on, and I'll get this thing started and show you the difference. You can visibly see the difference.